caught your eye? Understanding this colorful English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of English idioms, and our phrase of the day is, caught one's eye. Have you ever wondered what it means when something catches your eye? Well, you're in the right place to find out. This phrase is a gem in everyday English conversation, and mastering it will add a sparkle to your language skills. Let's get started. When something catches your eye, it means it grabs your attention or interest in a sudden and striking way. It's like walking in a garden and suddenly spotting a beautiful, bright flower among the greens. That flower has caught your eye. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from shopping and reading to meeting new people. It's all about that moment of unexpected attraction or interest. Ever wondered where this colorful phrase came from? Caught one's eye is believed to originate from the natural human instinct to notice and focus on something unusual or striking in one's surroundings. Historically, it reflects the idea of something visually appealing or intriguing that draws one's gaze. It's a phrase that has stood the test of time, painting pictures in our conversations for years. Let's see how caught one's eye is used in everyday language. 1. Shopping. I wasn't planning to buy a dress, but the red one in the window caught my eye. 2. Reading. While skimming through the magazine, an article about space exploration caught my eye. 3. Social interaction. At the party, her bright smile caught my eye, and I knew I had to talk to her. These examples show how versatile and colorful this phrase can be in our daily conversations. Want to use this phrase like a native speaker? Here are some tips. Context is key. Use it when something stands out and grabs your attention unexpectedly. Variety. You can modify the phrase slightly for different subjects, like, caught his eye, or, caught her eye. Practice. Try using it in your conversations or writing. The more you use it, the more naturally it will come to you. And that's a wrap on our journey with the phrase, caught one's eye. We hope this video has caught your eye and added a splash of color to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey full of exciting discoveries, and every phrase you master makes your conversations that much more vibrant. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to rewind and revisit any section of this video. See you in the next one, Language Explorers.